So here we go, guys. We are here for the 14th event of the season, the final marathon. The most classical event in the last mile standings. We're about to find out who will win and who will lose. Everyone is still in contention for the championship. As you see, the honeybees have taken the lead out of nowhere. Lavenders shoot up to second from the Team Horizon and the Tree Trunks. This championship is back and forth. Everyone taking the lead at some point. But let's see who will take it today. There is everyone competing today. Let's see. How is it? You know how the final marathon works? We are. So basically, last place gets 1 point, first place gets 6. Burning Flares leads the way in the pack of marbles. But I believe that is Lavenders in dead last. We're going to type in blazes. Honeybees, the championship leaders, lead the way. As it looks like Lavenders will finish race 1 in dead last. Sam Rockets, Blazers, Summer Skies, High Pools, Fireworks, Night Fighters, King of Sibian, June Jones, Bananas, Tree Trunks, Bubble Bashers, Team Horizon, Burning Flares, Red Powders, and the championship leaders will win the first race of 4. That is a great start for the host if you're the Honeybee fan, I guess. But anyway, race 2 is underway now. Who will survive this time? Honeybees, back up there again. They are really trying to get rid of this championship as fast as they can. Big come up with eliminated from championship contention. Yeah, doing a fine job here. But is that fireworks? Yes, it is. Fireworks are done. There's only more that Tony doesn't know who is which. Oh my God! Can Honeybees actually win 2 races in a row? Yes, they can. And that is 34 points, I believe. No, 32 points actually. Bay Fairs are right there with 24. The Honeybees have a great shot of winning 2 golds. That will 100% solidify the championship. Let's see now. As we take off now. It's going to be another race they win. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like Lavenders and Bubble Bashes. Where the honeybees? Oh, they're slowly making their way around. But in the position they are in right now, I believe this lead will hold. Look at this, they are circling around. They are trying to steal this championship as much as they can. What position do they finish in? And that's it! There is no way anyone else is catching them. It has been confirmed. Your event 14 winner with 1 race to spare is the Honeybees. They have won the event. And now it's all about who team is silver and bronze. The Honeybees, they don't need to do anymore. They have just won this event. Could they be on track? Team Horizon's there. They're in, I believe, 8th right now. So that's good for them. Oh my God! Honeybees again. Trying to win every single race. Although we have finishes already. Can honeybees do it? Can they hold off Team Horizon? No, they cannot. Team Horizon has won race 4. But unfortunately, they have not won the event. As we get the podium set up. Fortunately, we have our podium. Yes, folks. We have our podium. Your podium for event number 14 is... And there it is. The honeybees have won the gold. Bernie Flares have captured a silver, their first medal of the games. And Team Horizon with the bronze. And Team Horizon they would not be close to honeybees. I believe 15 points is the max right now. So last 2 events, the honeybees will have to start losing for any of the top teams to catch up. This is going to be a close championship to the line. Who will win it? We'll see you for the Lego Hill and then the marathon to end off season 14 of the last Marvel Standings.